getting out of here, I think I'm just gonna go out the same way we came in.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
Huh?
Just beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's amazing. The hills are like, it's like the mountain is just one big, long, huge.
Doug's tootling. Where's he going? Hey, fellers.
Oh, when do you want me to put my GoPro on, Doug?
Whenever you feel like it. Yeah, now's good.
It's blinking.
It's blinking.
Oh, it's blinking.
It'll be blinking.
It's, yeah,
Go in front of him,
those
Mr.
assholes know
Element.
we're trying to leave.
Look at those fine-looking motorcycles. And Wes.
And west, right, yeah. Mine there's your water crossing again.
My water crossing.
Oh.
Yeah, water
You made
crossing.
it.
Yeah, oh, that was so hard.
If we're good, we're gonna go.
We are all good.
Excellent.
Climb the hill.
Hey, all Jets here, and I'm tuning in by myself. I'm having center problems again. Looks like the group of guys that are talking as me, Umberto, and Steve, and then Alex, Wes, and Doug are on intercom together. So it's been a good day so far. We're on the slab a little bit, getting some miles, going to our next destination. It is, don't know where we're going. So I'm just kind of along for the ride. It's been a really great day. We just went through Harper's Ferry, went through some really cool little roads near the Cumberland River, I believe, and went through Virginia for a hot second, then into West Virginia, and now we're just kind of cruising, and it's just been a lot of fun. Bonneville had a flat this morning, which is kind of a little perturbed, but I think it's, I can't really blame the bike. It was really this old tire that I had that came with the bike, and it's just old, so, I'm just gonna have to deal with that. Miles per gallon's been in the 50s, high 40s, low 50s. Yesterday was a pretty challenging day, lots of rain, lots of cold weather. It was pouring rain through the Catskills, past a couple places. It was 38 degrees in one spot, and it was cold. So, but now it's pretty decent. It's probably in the 40s right now, and slowly warming up. Thank goodness, because I'm a little brisk. I took my windscreen off, and just excuse me, yawn. So I took my windscreen off, and it's a little brisk, but it's kind of nice to not have it be riding the naked bike today. So we got Alex from Maryland Moto, we've got Steve, Special Case Customs, his buddy Berto is also a friend of mine. We got me, Jed's Moto. We've got Wes Fleming on his Indian FTR 1200S, brand new bike. And from Chasing the Horizon podcast and 200 Miles Before Breakfast if you're an MOA member. And then we also have Doug, brother Doug from Amen Moto. So we've got the collaboration going on. This is the Cafe Racer podcast Slack friendship thing.
Boy, Jed's is really animated today. Look at him. His round is so awesome. I know.
East Coast Meetup. And there's Wes on his beautiful Indian FTR. Yeah, buddy! Yeah!
I want to be like him when I grow up.
I don't think that's what you turn into when you grow up.
It has been a absolute blast following Alex. He is a great leader. He has planned out an awesome trip for us, and it's just been a blast. I can't get how these roads, how I've never thought of riding in Maryland. I've never thought about it as being a good place to ride, but he's really showing us how there's some really great places to ride, and he is a smooth, quick rider. I'm really enjoying following Alex. So, Alex, Maryland Moto, thank you so much for showing us the way today. Hi, Doug! There's a wheelie. That one was good, Birdo. Oh, it is warming up. Thank you, God. Route 9 East, Martinsburg. We're going right. Bonnieville is now at 43.56 thousand miles. There's Birdo. Being Birdo. That is a great bike. That's Birdo's 92, 93 TSX 1100G. It is a sick bike. Super sick. That's Steve doing flybys of Alex. There's old Dougie. I love that cat. Absolutely love that cat. It's so much fun. I love it. I absolutely love it. Florida man himself taking lead, or at least going up next to Alex to get some shots. There's the FTR. Wes Fleming in the rear, playing sweep.
Cool. There's a parade.
Oh, excellent.
Fall festival, yeah.
Keep up, Doug.
Come through, Doug.
Cool.
I'm good.
All right.
Wow, look at this bizarre set of buildings here. Wonder what this was at one time. It's a factory that makes small factories. It's a parade. We're in our own parade.
Yeah, I guess so. Hey, maybe it is a good thing I have the GoPro running. This
Yeah.
is, oh, stop that. Yeah, I see the cones up there. I don't know if it's actually closed or not.
What are we doing?
See police lights up there. Hopefully we
Why
can
don't you
get-
go straight and then, well, never mind. I think we need a U-turn.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
I'm just going to pick off the truck.
Are we clear, Doug? I can't see out of my left
Yep,
mirror.
yep, you're clear.
Okay.
Turn-
so
turn right.
Turn right at the stop sign. Are we allowed?
No. I'm gonna ask. They're not even looking. Nope.
Oh,
Gotcha. I was trying to get their attention. They turned around and walked away from me.
right. Alright.
Now,
Right,
now,
turn right
now we'll
here?
turn right.
Like, also, we all had right turn signals on. They knew what we were trying to do. And they didn't wave at us or anything.
Nope.
Nope. Bicycle cop. Another.
Turn around.
Are you going to ask them how many
Nah.
blocks up we're going to have to...
Thank you. I am going in the right general direction, right?
Correct.
I hope somebody knows where we are, because I'm lost.
I've got the map and I'm looking at it.
God, it's still... Look at this.
How the f*** do they expect people to get around?
I don't know.
You're going to want to, when this dead ends, turn left.
Yep.
So then turn left up here.
Yep. Yep.
At the stop sign, we're going to want to turn left.
Doug's just doing donuts in the parking lot.
Yeah, I noticed.
Hi, Doug.
Hello.
Alright, we got one car coming from the right. I'm going to wait for them and then go.
Oh, I'm all dizzy now. I'm extra dizzy, not normal dizzy. Nice color car.
I like the two-tone.
Hey, Alex.
What's up?
I got about 30 miles before I need gas.
Oh, okay.
3-0.
3-0. Alright.
Worst case, one of y'all goes and gets a bottle of gas and brings it back to me.
Yeah.
You talk about Wes. I'm just going to put my foot on your ass and push.
There you go.
Getting back into the beautifulness again.
Yeah, even this is lovely. She thinks it's a parade.
I like her.
You see that big smile on her face?
I did. Man, it's almost heaven here.
Almost. You're a funny dude. You're killing it with the dad jokes.
Nice. Look, don't look.